Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin just coming to you with another video. Today, I got another knife review for you. It's the Leatherman OHT. So it's a little bit military inspired. Here it is right here in the case. And it's got a molly sheath. And you can connect it multiple ways. This is where I keep it on my belt. Just like this, right here. But you can strap it, as you can see, many ways. It opens up here. So, yeah, this is the OHT leather molly sheath. And, here's the OHT. So, basically, they designed this to be a one-handed operation. So, they wanted everything in here to be one-handed. That's the whole idea behind the OHT. One-hand tool is what OHT stands for. So basically, it's got pictures on the outside of what's beneath. It's kind of hard to see, but see, that's a serrated blade right here. This is a regular blade. Everything is listed on the outside. See, here's a Phillips head right here. So basically what you do is, you see, this is the slide bar. See this? And see this? What you do is you push that button in. This button right here. And this button. And when you do that, you get pliers. So the pliers are stored in the tool. See? Which is cool. So everything, so you could deploy one-handed, and you can operate all this one-handed. So let's check out some of the tools. This is a rope cutter, a cord cutter, with a flat head on top. And this is an oxygen wrench right in here. Then we got a Phillips head. See, there's the Phillips sign right there. We got a Phillips head. Let's see. We got a saw. And we got a bottle opener. Then we got a regular blade, which is really freaking sharp. I put it on the leather strap. This is, I think, 420 HC steel, and it's incredibly sharp. And we got a flathead right here. Then we got a little tiny little flathead. So that's it. Not a lot of tools. Not a lot of tools. But everything's accessible outside of the tool, which makes it one-handed. So it's kind of like, and it's got a spring that, you know, the reason why I bought this is because I really like the needle nose pliers on these. They come to a real fine tip. And it's got replaceable wire cutters here. It's got they're spring loaded. These are spring loaded. So it's quite the little knife. I really like it a lot. So I'm trying to think of if there's anything else I want to say about it. I like all the tools on it. I like all the tools on it. So I'm trying to think of if there's anything else. Bottle opener, Phillips head, flat head, just a little pry bar flat head, another flat head. We got a saw, a seatbelt cutter. This blade is friggin' sharp, real sharp. Just a petite little blade, that's all you need. So yeah, OHT. It's a good size for a multi-tool. I mean, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the size. And then it's got a little lock right here. When this is... So you can lock it right here. Yeah, that's the lock right there. But yeah, it's quite the little tool. I like it a lot. So, well, I don't have too much else to say about it. I like it. It's military inspired. Because you can operate everything with your gloves on. So, that's what they were going for, I think, when they designed it. So, alright, well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.